have to prepare rice for the party.
May I join you? I can grind the things that need 5 to 15 minutes.
I can slice and dice and the vegetables, get ready the tomato, chili and onion, they come.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, you are most welcome.